What if the United States says it doesn't want to create another China with India? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Recently, a statement from the US has drawn global attention. The US says it doesn't want to repeat the same experience it had with China. For many years, the US supported China's rise through trade and investments, which eventually helped China become a major global economic power. लेकिन अब जब भारत दुनिया की सबसे तेजी से बढ़ती बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्थाओं में से एक बन रहा है, तो अमेरिका का रुख थोड़ा अलग दिखाई दे रहा है. So the big question is, will the US support India's rise or try to slow it down? Let's understand this step by step in the next slide. So now let's understand why the US is concerned. The US believes that in the past it helped China become a global superpower by giving open access to markets, trade and technology. अब अमेरिका के कई लीडर्स का मानना है कि इस नीति की वजह से अमेरिकी उद्योग और नौकरियों को नुकसान हुआ. That is why many policy makers in the US are now focusing on three key ideas. First, avoid creating another strong economic rival. यानी कि अमेरिका नहीं चाहता कि उसकी नीतियों से कोई नया बड़ा आर्थिक प्रतिद्वंदी उभर जाए. दूसरा, प्रोटेक्ट strategic industries and advanced technology which are crucial for national security and economic strength. यानी महत्वपूर्ण उद्योगों और तकनीक की सुरक्षा पर जोर दिया जा रहा है. थर्ड, diversify global supply chain so that the world economy does not depend too much on a single rising power. मतलब वैश्विक सप्लाई चेन को अलग अलग देशों में फैलाने की कोशिश की जा रही है. These concerns explain why the US is carefully evaluating its economic relationship today. Now, let's look at India's rapidly growing economy. Despite global concerns and debates, India's growth is accelerating and the country is becoming more influential in the global economy. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था कई क्षेत्रों में तेजी से आगे बढ़ रही है. First, India is emerging as a global manufacturing hub with many international companies choosing India for production. सेकंड, भारत का टेक्नोलॉजी और स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम तेजी से बढ़ रहा है, जिससे इनोवेशन और नई नौकरियों के अवसर बढ़ रहे हैं. थर्ड, many global companies are now shifting production from China to India, which is often called the China to India shift. इसी वजह से आज भारत को पश्चिमी देशों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण आर्थिक और रणनीतिक साझेदार के रूप में देखा जा रहा है. Overall, India's rising growth is becoming a key factor in the global economic landscape. Now, the big question is what happens next? Will the US partner with India to balance China's growing influence, or will it try to limit India's rise in order to protect its own global dominance? Many experts believe that the world may be entering a new phase of global power competition, and India's role in this changing order could be very important. So now it's your turn. What do you think? Will the US truly support India's rise or try to slow it down? आपकी क्या राय है? अपनी राय कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताएं. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.